Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of a Country Line telephone, and this is by TT Systems. And this is James's telephone from Arizona. Now, when they sent it in, they had complained of a lot of static. And so basically what we did is, I don't have the telephone all back together yet, but we can do the final check now. We went ahead and troubleshooted the main PC board to this telephone, and we found a transistor that was bad, and basically what it's doing is it's leaking. And so the transistor was replaced. And also in the same circuit we found a diode here that was also leaking. And basically what had happened was, I'm going to move these out of the way, that's what was causing the static. And so we went through the board and replaced those components, and also resoldered some things that we didn't like. And you're going to see some tape on the telephone. I have their personal information covered up, and I also wanted to protect the bells since we were working on the telephone. So anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. And the bell is located up underneath this bell here on the right-hand side. I'm going to let that ring a couple times. Let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and dial our numbers. And if you look up at the analyzer, you'll see the numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Go ahead and hang up. Give you some dial tone. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push redial. And if you watch the analyzer, you'll see the redial of the numbers, and it's going to end in a 2. So we know that that's taken care of. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to dial a 2. And I'm going to modulate or transmit into the handset. You're going to see a red light up here on the analyzer, and that's an indication of 100% modulation when I transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that the telephone is in working condition now, and that the static has been taken care of. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the telephone over into a regular telephone line, and we're going to make some calls here with it. Give you some dial tone. I want to go ahead and stabilize the telephone.
Good evening. Credit issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Saturday, November 5th. The time is 8:50. Current temperature at 58 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the 60s, mostly clear this evening, lows in the 40s, partly cloudy on Sunday, then becoming mostly cloudy, highs in the 60s.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call my number, give you some dial tone, and it's going to be busy. And we'll go ahead and call one other number, give you some dial tone. Let's call like Walmart.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
See if they answer.
you can save money a little better. How may I help you?
Hi, is your deli open, please?
One moment, please.
Hello? Let's see if they're not on break.
Walmart Deli.
Yeah, what do you guys do with all the leftover stuff?
All the leftover stuff from the hot case?
Yeah, do you guys sell that?
No, we throw that away.
Oh, man. I was hoping I could come up there and grab all the old stuff.
No, it's already gone. Sorry.
Okay, well, you take care and have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Oh, anyway, we know that the telephone is working, and it just had to be troubleshooted and gone through and replace the bad components that were causing the static. We also went through the handset cord and re-crimped that and checked all the connections. So, everything is finished up on the telephone. This is a really cool telephone, and I'll give you a look at the back plate here, and that's where your TT Systems is. Now, they've been making these phones for quite a long time, so they've been around a while, but we get a lot of calls on these. People want to save them. They're a cool kind of a country line telephone, country wall telephone. There's various different ones, but they're really a neat phone, and people like to save them. And it's hard to find any quality, so the older it is, usually the better it is. And so the quality has kind of gone down over the years. So it's best to save the ones that still have some quality to them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone and A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is James Telephone from Arizona, and I want to give you a look at the back of this telephone here real quick before we end the video. Kind of want to just show you the main PC board in here, and it's stationary up against the dial, against the keypad, and you won't see a bell here. Like I said earlier, it's on the outside. Now, some of these had bells in them and some didn't. Some of them, the bells were outside, and even though you had your two cosmetic bells on the outside, sometimes they'd have a bell on the inside, but in this case, the bell is on the outside, actually, and you can see where the lines run up into the hole that it goes through to the bell. So that kind of gives you a little look at the circuit board here. So it's a really cool telephone, and it just was in need of some repair. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.